Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can sell your cryptocurrency for fiat with Binance. So stay tuned.
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
So it's not that difficult. I'm gonna show you step by step, and it's the same for other exchanges. So let's say you have some cryptocurrency in your wallet. So you choose the coin you want to sell. If it's a cryptocurrency which is not Bitcoin, you'll have to first convert it into Bitcoin, and then you can sell your Bitcoin for euros. So I want to sell my Verge. So first I have to convert it into Bitcoin. So I enter Verge. Okay, from Verge to Bitcoin. All right, you can put a limit price, market price, or stop limit. I'm gonna sell at market price. That's the fastest. I'm gonna sell everything. So 3,342. Sell, buy with, okay, 3,300. Market price, and then sell. It's immediately filled with market. If you put a limit, if you want to sell higher, it will be executed when the price is reached. So now I have Bitcoins. So now I go to here, fiat. I want to exchange into euros, but for example, you can also exchange to US dollars. Then you just search Bitcoin BTC to USD and you click this. I want to exchange it into euros, so BTC to euro. All right, I want to sell my BTC for euro. So now I'm in the correct market, Bitcoin for euro. So I'm gonna sell all my Bitcoins for euros, and then all you have to do is press sell. So when I want to input a limit price, you press limit and then you choose at what price you want to sell Bitcoin. Let's sell, the current price is 27,000. I want to sell at, let's say, 29,000 euros. So then I have a little bit more euros. So then in total 33 euros. If I would sell at market price, I would receive a little bit less. For example, if I would sell at 25,000, it's 29 euros. But this is such a small amount that it doesn't really matter. The difference is only 2 euros. So still, I'm gonna sell at 29,000. So then in total, I will receive 34 euros. So then you just press sell Bitcoins, and then your sell order is created. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you haven't registered on Binance yet, you can use my link in the video description. You will get a little bit of discount on your costs. There are also a lot of interesting links in the video description which you could possibly use. Don't forget to check out my ultimate crypto guide where you will find everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section below. And of course, subscribe for more money making tips. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.